sa bawat isang miyembro ng pamilya Santa Rosa, who gave me a historic 162,669 strong mandate. Maraming salamat po. Running unopposed is not a personal triumph. It is our collective declaration na walang makapipigil sa tuloy-tuloy na pag-unlad ng lungsod ng Santa Rosa bilang isang makabagong lungsod na nagbibigay ng makataong serbisyo sa mamamayan.
Ako, si Roy Maragat Gonzales. Nanahalal sa katungkulan bilang kinatawan. Distrito ng Santa Rosa.
Sa harap ng dakilang lumikha sa buong sambayanan ng Distrito ng Santa Rosa at ng ating saligang batas, buong puso at paninindigan kong tinatanggap ang mga responsibilidad bilang bagong congressman sa mababang kapulungan ng Kongreso ng Pilipinas.
Ako, si Arnold Bawan Arcillas. Nanahalal sa katungkulan bilang pangalawang punong lungsod ng lungsod ng Santa Rosa, lalawigan ng Laguna.
Kay Daddy Mayor Leon Arcillas, thank you for instilling ideas and showing to me what truly is to be a public servant dito sa lungsod ng Santa Rosa. Together, we will face both challenges and victories with determination and hope. Let us unite in our common purpose to make Santa Rosa City a city that we can all be proud of. One that is inclusive, vibrant, and full of opportunities for all.
This shows an open administration. For transparency, dito kami nanumpa at nangakong patuloy na pangangalagaan, paprotektahan at gagawing maunlad ang lungsod ng Santa Rosa. Ako,
Si Arlene Bawan Arcillas. Nanahalal
sa katungkulan
bilang punong lungsod ng lungsod ng Santa Rosa, lalawigan ng Laguna.
In this last term, our mission is clear. Cement the foundations so firmly that the next generation can only build higher. That the next leader, Vice Mayor Arnold Arcillas, can build higher and more for the people. Every peso in the budget, every kilometer of road, every byte of data will be mapped to a pillar and tracked on an open data city dashboard, expertise with Vice Mayor Arnold. You can view on your phone. By embedding every initiative to a pillar and reporting results openly, we ensure that the legacy we leave is not just progress you can see, but progress you can measure, progress you can own, and carry forward. These buildings around us symbolizes the city of Santa Rosa. To Mayor Leon Arcillas, who have guided us all throughout my term, this is for you. I finished another round. I was in Congress. I'm sure you're very happy. Isang Santa Rosa na tunay na makatao, isang Santa Rosa na tunay na makabago, isang Santa Rosa na tunay na matatag.